Hello everyone from Elif's kitchen. In this recipe, I will share with you a white cabbage salad recipe with carrots and yogurt that will go perfectly with your meat and chicken dishes. I used half of a small white cabbage. As you can see in the video, I sliced it thinly with a peeler. If you prefer, you can also finely chop it on a cutting board. But it will be better if you slice it this way, because the thinner the cabbage, the better it will be. After completing the chopping, transfer it into a large mixing bowl. Add 2 medium-sized carrots, grated with the large side of the grater, on top. For our salad dressing, in a separate bowl, take 1 large bowl, which is about 2½ cups of thick yogurt. I recommend using strained yogurt, it tastes much better with strained yogurt. I used semi-strained yogurt and added 1 to 2 cloves of grated garlic. About 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 1 teaspoon of sugar. About 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of apple or grape vinegar. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix. Then pour our yogurt dressing over the salad. Mix well so that all parts are coated with the dressing. Then transfer our salad to a serving plate. I garnished it with parsley leaves and carrots. Our salad, with its delicious taste, is ready to serve. I am sure you will love it if you try it too. Bon appetit to those who will try it. If you watched my video this far and liked it, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching and for your interest.